The last quadrilateral that we're going to look at is trapezoids. Trapezoids have some special properties that the other quadrilaterals do not have. So trapezoid, remember by definition, a trapezoid only has one pair of parallel sides. The consecutive angles, or the same side, remember consecutive means same side, angles in a trapezoid are supplementary. Remember, supplementary means they add up to equal 180 degrees. And then a trapezoid has the same properties as a quadrilateral. So it has 4 sides, and all the angles on the inside add up to equal 360 degrees. So let's complete each statement using trapezoid ABCD. So list the 2 sides that are parallel. In this trapezoid, you can see that the 2 sides, if it's a trapezoid, would be AB and DC. If the measure of angle A is 110 degrees, and the measure of angle C is 80 degrees, find the measures of angle B and angle D. So what I'd like to do is kind of cut this trapezoid in half and consider these 2 angles right here. Angles on the same side are on the sides that are not parallel. So this angle A and angle D should add up to equal 180 degrees because they are on the same side. So I can find angle D by letting it equal x and solving. So in this case, x equals 70, or angle D equals 70. On the other side, it's the same relationship. This time I'll let angle B equal y. So I'd have y plus 80 equals 180. Subtract 80 from both sides. Y equals 100. So angle B is 100 degrees. When you add up all 4 angles, they should add up to equal 360, and that's how you know they will when you add those numbers together. So let's try the properties of trapezoids questions, and that'll be it for today. It says find the missing values in each trapezoid. First off, it's asking which 2 sides are parallel. So be careful with this one. This one, it looks like the 2 parallel sides are actually AD and BC. It's turned sideways. So the the consecutive relationship is when they're on the same side. So in this case, it happens to go up and down, or side to side. So it'd be 180, x plus 40 equals 180. And for angle C, we'll let y equal that. That'd be y plus 85 equals 180. So subtract 40. X equals 140. Subtract 85. Y equals 95. So I said x was A, so x is 140 degrees. And C is 95 degrees. So remember, to be on the same side, you are on the side of the non-parallel sides. So looking at the next problem, W, Z, and X, Y are parallel to each other. So to find the missing angles, I split it in half, and I focus on one side. So 90 plus x equals 180. Subtract 90 from both sides, get x equals 90. In this case, x was W's value. And then y plus 105 equals 180. Subtract 105. Y equals 75 degrees. So in this case, that was my angle Z. So really the important property for trapezoids is that opposite sides are parallel, and then consecutive angles, or angles on the same side of the non-parallel sides, add up to equal 180 degrees. Try those practice problems now.